Good morning students, welcome to the new class. So today we will start first chapter of maths, that is the fish tale. In this chapter, writer has narrated some stories about fishes and boats, okay? And with these stories, he has tried well to boost our mental maths. So children, let's start the chapter, okay? Do you know children what is formula of speed? Let's begin with the formula. Formula of speed is speed is equal to distance upon time. Okay, so we'll do the questions based on this formula only. Now see, on page number 6, your first question is, see, the speed of a logboat is given 4 km in 1 hour. Okay, and then he's asking how long will they take to go a distance of 10 kilometer. Okay children, so the speed is given, that is 4 km per hour. Okay, so let's write whatever is given. Speed is equal to 4 km per hour and the distance is given 10 km. Distance is equal to 10 km and you are supposed to tell the time taken by the boat. Okay, so we have the formula, speed is equal to distance upon time. So here we have to calculate the time, so we'll interchange their position. So time is equal to distance upon speed, that is distance is 10 km and the speed is 4 km per hour. So 2 2 are 4, 2 5 are 10. So what we are left with, 5 upon 2. Okay, so if you will change it in the form of fraction, it will become 2 2 are 4 and 1, that is 2.5 hours. Okay, so that means this logboat will take 2.5 hours to cover a distance of 10 kilometers. Okay children. Now your next question is on page number 7 of your book. Now here see, the speed of a motorboat is given 20 km in 1 hour. That means 20 km per hour. Okay, and you are supposed to tell that how far would the motorboat go in 3.5 hours. That means time is given, speed is given. You have to calculate the distance. Okay, so speed is given 20 km per hour. Time is equal to 3.5 hours. And you are supposed to calculate the d, that means distance. So speed is equal to distance upon time. That means distance is equal to speed into time. So distance is equal to speed into time. What is the speed of the boat children? 20 km per hour and the time is 3.5 hours. Okay, so first of all we'll change this 3.5 into fraction form. So 2 3 are 6 plus 1 7, that means 7 upon 2. Now 2 10 are 20. So you are left with 10 multiplied by 7, that means 70 kilometers. Okay, so that means this motorboat will cover a distance of 70 kilometers in 3.5 hours. Okay children. Our next question is, how much time will they take to go 85 kilometers? Okay, so now we have to tell the time taken by the same motorboat to cover a distance of 85 kilometers. Okay, that means this is the second part of the same question. Speed is given 20 km per hour and distance is given 85 kilometers. Okay, so we'll use the same formula, speed is equal to distance upon time. Okay, now here we have to calculate the time, so we'll interchange the position of time and distance speed. So time is equal to distance upon speed. So here distance is given how much children? 85 km and the speed is 20. Okay, so you can cancel it by 5 or simply 5 4s are 20, 5 ones are 5, 5 sevens are 35. Okay, so this is 17 upon 4. Okay, you can further get the answer in points. 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16. This is 17, so 1 is left. After putting points, 0 will be there. So 2 5s are 10. You can further solve it. 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, and 2 5s are 10. So that means this is your required answer. Okay, children? Now next is which boat gets how much. Okay, so here you are given a table, type of boat, catch of fish in one trip in kgs, and speed of the boat. Okay, like log boat, it can catch 20 kg of fishes in one trip, and the speed of the log boat is 4 km per hour. In the same way, long tail boat, it can catch 600 kg fishes in one trip, and its speed is 12 km per hour. Similarly, motor boat, it can catch 800 kg of fishes in one trip, and its speed is 20 km per hour. Machine boat can catch 600 kg fishes in one trip, and its speed is 22 km per hour. So based on this table, our first question is about how much fish in all will each type of boat bring in 7 trips. Okay, so 4 types of boat they have given here, so we have to tell that in 7 trips how much fishes one boat will catch. Okay, so fish caught by log boat in one trip equal to how much? 20 kg. So fish caught by a log boat in 7 trips. So we know that in one trip how many fishes are caught? 20 kg. So for 7 trips we know the value of 1. We have to calculate the value of more. In such cases, what do we do, children? We always multiply. So 20 will be multiplied by 7 because 20 kg fishes were caught in one trip, and we have to calculate the value for 7 trips. So number will be multiplied by number. 7 2 ja 14, and 0 will be at the back like this. Okay, so that means 140 kg fishes will be caught in 7 trips. Next is fish caught by long tail boat in one trip. How much, children? 600 kg. Now we have to tell fish caught by long tail boat in 7 trips. So in one trip 600 kg are caught. So that means in 7 trips we'll multiply it by 7. So 7 6 ja 42, and zeros will be at the back in the same way. That means 4200 kg fishes will be caught in 7 trips by long tail boat. Next is fish caught by motor boat in one trip. So motor boat caught how much? 800 kg fishes in one trip. So for 7 trips, again we know the value of one trip. We will multiply it by 7. So 8 7 ja 56. Zeros will be at the back in the same way. That means 5600 kg fish will be caught by motor boat in 7 trips. Next is fish caught by machine boat in one trip. So machine boat catches how much kg? 6000 kg fishes in one trip. So in 7 trips how much it will catch? So for one trip it is 6000. So 6000 will be multiplied by 7 because we have to calculate for 7 trips. So 6 7 ja 42, and 3 zeros will come at the back. Okay, that means 42,000 kg fishes will be caught by machine boat in 7 trips. B part is about how far can a motorboat go in 6 hours. Okay, so speed of motorboat is given 20 km per hour in the table, and time taken by the motorboat is 6 hours. We have to calculate the distance. Okay, so we'll use the formula speed is equal to distance upon time. Now since we have to calculate the distance, speed and time will be multiplied. So distance is equal to speed multiplied by time. Speed of the boat is 20 km children, and the time taken is 6 hours. So that means 120 km distance will be covered by a motorboat in 6 hours. Okay children. Next question is, if a long tail boat has to travel 60 km, how long will it take? Okay. Now see in the table, speed of long tail boat is given 12 km per hour. And it is given that the distance travelled by long tail boat is 60 km. And we have to tell that how much time it will take to travel this 60 km. Again we will use the formula speed is equal to distance upon time. Now since we have to calculate the time taken, we will interchange the position of speed and time. So time is equal to distance upon speed. So what is the distance children? 60 km, and the speed is 12 km per hour. So 12 5 ja 60, that means time taken is 5 hours. What does it mean children? It means that this long tail boat will take 5 hours to cover this distance of 60 kilometers. So that's all for today. Thank you.